Hi everyone, my name is Nanraj Naik and I'm a student of second year civil engineering at Don Bosco College of Engineering. I would like to share with you all my presentation on stream tubes. These are the subtopics I will cover in my presentation. Let me introduce to you what is stream tube. A stream tube it basically consists of various streamlines. So here we have different streamlines which are making a tube and it contains fluid. That is, some fluid is bounded or inside the stream tube and the fluid may enter the tube from here and then it exits from the other side. Streamlines are curves that are instantaneously tangent to the velocity vector of the flow. And these streamlines, to find their velocity, we need to draw tangent to that streamline. Stream gauging. Stream gauging is a technique used to measure the discharge or the volume of water through a channel per unit time of a stream. Stream gauging is an important tactic for understanding ecological composition of a given area. Next is how to find discharge using stream gauge. In order to find discharge, we need to find area and velocity. The stream is divided into various subsections. In each subsection, we need to find area. To find the area, we need to know depth and width at each subsection. Once you have taken measurements for the area of the stream, we can find velocity, about which I will discuss in the next slide. Measuring velocity. To measure current velocity, you will need to use a current meter in addition to your stream gauge. Current meters have a propeller or a wheel with small open cones attached. You can measure the velocity of water by counting the rotations of the wheels or measuring water contained in can-shaped cups. Velocity area method. The velocity area method is the most common method of estimating river flow. As the term implies, the flow is the product of the average velocity in the cross section and the cross sectional area of flow. Velocity of flow at different cross section varies. It is not enough to measure the velocity at a single point. Based on accuracy required, weight of the stream is divided into a number of vertical portions. In each portion, velocity is measured at one or more points along the depth to get a representative velocity. Thank you.